Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Julia. How are you today?
Hi, Oliver. I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm well, thanks. I was thinking about shopping today and wanted to talk about our consumption styles. Do you enjoy shopping?
Yes, I really like shopping, but I always try to be careful with my money. I like to find good deals and choose products that fit my budget. What about you, Oliver?
I feel the same way. I enjoy shopping for clothes and gadgets, but I always compare prices before buying. I like to make sure I get a good deal.
That's a smart idea. I often look at several websites or visit different stores to compare prices. It saves money and makes me happy.
Yes, and I read reviews to see if the product is good. I don't want to spend too much on something that may not last.
Exactly. I check the quality of products too. For example, when I shop for a new pair of shoes, I read reviews, look at the material, and check the price.
I do the same. I also set a budget for myself. I try not to spend more than I can afford. It helps me save money for other needs.
That is very important. My budget is very small. Since I am a student, I have to pay for my books and food, so I choose affordable products.
I understand. I am also careful with my budget. I like to save money for special trips and events.
Do you use any apps or websites to help you compare prices?
Yes, I use a price comparison app on my phone. It shows me different prices for the same product. I also check online reviews. What about you?
I use similar apps. I also follow some online blogs about shopping. They give me ideas on how to save money and find discounts.
Discounts are great. I love it when I can get a sale or a coupon. It makes shopping much more fun.
Yes, and sometimes I wait for seasonal sales like Black Friday or end of season discounts. I plan my shopping around these events.
That is a very good strategy. Planning ahead can save a lot of money. Do you usually shop for clothes or electronics?
I mostly shop for clothes and sometimes for books. I also buy small accessories like bags or jewelry when they are on sale. And you?
I mostly shop for gadgets and clothes. I like to update my phone and sometimes buy a new pair of sneakers when I see a good offer.
Sneakers are fun. I like shopping for shoes, but I always check the quality first.
Quality is very important. I remember buying a jacket that was very cheap, but it did not last a long time. Now, I choose quality even if it costs a bit more.
That is true. I once bought a bag at a very low price, but it broke after a few uses. Now, I spend a little more on a good bag that lasts longer.
I think our consumption style is about balancing price and quality. We need to choose products that are good for our budget and also reliable.
Yes, and it also reflects our personal style. I like simple and classic designs. I do not follow very trendy styles because I want my clothes to last.
I feel the same. I prefer products that are practical and timeless. I think that makes my shopping choices easier.
Do you ever shop online?
Yes, I shop online often. It is very convenient. I can compare many products and prices on one website. But I always check if the website is secure before I pay.
That is important. I always look for HTTPS in the website address and read reviews about the seller. I worry about data security sometimes.
Me too. I also use payment methods that have extra security like PayPal. It gives me peace of mind.
I agree. It is very important to protect our personal information. Online shopping is great, but we must be careful.
Do you have a favorite online store?
Yes, I like a website called ShopSmart. They have a good range of products and fair prices. What about you?
I like tech deals for gadgets and trendy wear for clothes. They often have sales and clear return policies.
That is good. I also check for return policies because sometimes the product does not match the description.
Yes, a clear return policy makes online shopping safer. Have you ever had a problem with an online purchase?
Once I ordered a sweater that looked good in the picture, but when it arrived, the color was different. I returned it, and the process was smooth.
I had a similar experience. I bought a phone case online, but it did not fit my phone well. I returned it and I got a refund.
It shows that good customer service is very important for online shopping.
Absolutely. I think my shopping style is very careful. I plan my purchases, compare prices, and check reviews before buying.
That is a good strategy. I try to do the same. I want to make sure I spend my money wisely.
Do you think online shopping will grow in the future?
Yes, I believe so. More people like the convenience of shopping from home. Also, technology is making online stores safer and more reliable.
I agree. With better security and fast delivery, online shopping will become even more popular.
I also think that online shopping saves a lot of time, which is very valuable for us students and working people.
Yes, it does. I often finish my shopping in a few minutes online, compared to spending hours in a store.
And it gives you the chance to see many options at once. That way, you can choose the best product for your money.
Exactly. I also like reading detailed product descriptions and reviews. It helps me make informed decisions.
I feel the same. I sometimes write down my favorite products and websites so I can return to them later.
That is a good habit, Julia. I keep a list on my phone of good deals and products I like.
We seem to share a similar consumption style. We both like quality products at good prices, and we plan our shopping carefully.
Yes, I think it is important to be a smart consumer. By being careful and thoughtful, we can save money and enjoy our purchases longer.
I agree, Oliver. Shopping is not just about buying things, it is about making choices that fit our style and budget.
Thank you for this conversation, Julia. I enjoyed talking about our shopping habits and learning new ideas from you.
Thank you, Oliver. I enjoyed our chat too. It is always good to share experiences and tips on how to shop smarter and safer.
Let's talk again soon about our latest finds or any new online stores we discover.
I would love that. Have a great day, Oliver, and happy shopping.
You too, Julia. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Oliver.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.